Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, once again, we are working on the Mini. So I'm going to be installing a shift boot delete kit. Now, if you guys are familiar with Mini, you'll probably heard of a company called Craven Speed. They sell a shift boot delete kit. I'm actually not installing that one. I ordered one off of a buddy of mine who makes custom pieces, 3D printed ones. His name is Black Flag USA. I'm going to be putting his Instagram and his website in the description in case you guys are interested. Now, it's really cool because you get a very simple design, just like the Craven Speed one. It comes with everything, comes with instructions, but he also does custom pieces, which is awesome. So let me show you what I got, and hopefully you guys enjoy, and maybe you guys can hit him up. And it actually comes with instructions too, which is really nice in case you don't know what you're doing. He goes step by step with everything. So let me show you what I got here. So this is the piece that I received. Now, it is super cool because he does it 3D printed wise, and as you can see, it shows my car's shift pattern plus the exact S logo and that like fancy like S that they use for Minis all in one. So I got my shift pattern here with the S logo, comes with the bottom plate and obviously the spring for the install. So it comes with these three things, and which is super nice is he also includes step-by-step instructions on how to install this. So in case you have no idea how to install these things, he will give a step-by-step, pretty much, you know, DIY for you guys to be able to do it. So super in-depth, really nice. Now, typically, to remove all this, you know, a lot of people will, you know, take out the Torx bolts here, remove the whole center console. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to choose not to do that just because I've removed my shift boot, my, you know, this whole little assembly here. I've removed this countless times. I haven't broken any clips. I know how to get it out. So I'm not going to be removing everything. Now, if you guys want to be on the safe side, you definitely can. The instructions he has on the piece of paper that he sends you will tell you to do that. In this install, I'm not going to do it. If you want to do it a simple way and you're careful and you know you're not going to break anything, you could do it the way I do it. You should be safe. Like I said, I mean, if you want to be 100% safe and not break anything, definitely take the whole center console off. You'll see it in the instructions. It's literally a 20-step instruction on how to do it. But I'm going to show you guys today how to do it without removing it. This is going to be the simple way. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and I know I'm going to love the look at the end. So let's get right into the install. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to remove my shift knob with the adapter. This is the key adapter. You get it on Amazon. It's like 10 bucks, so that you can use, you know, screw-on shift knobs, because obviously the Mini has the push-on shift knob, so you can use one. But this is an adapter that, you know, perfectly goes into the shifter stem. So I'm going to be removing this first. Now, obviously, if you have a stock shift knob, you'd have to pull the old one off and, you know, take that off and then remove this little piece here. But for mine, just gotta take off this piece. Is just three little nuts that just gotta undo them. Should take 5 seconds to do. If you guys have the same piece, don't forget, you know, gotta undo this first. Alright. Now, take this bar off. Now, yes, I did cut my shifter. It's not perfect, but did cut it. So now, this whole unit is going to be able to come off, so just got to pull up, and literally, that simple. And now everything is exposed. So this is the first part. Shift knob comes off. Like I said, if you're super careful, you'll be able to just remove this. You won't break any of the clips. I haven't broken any clips on mine. So that's the first part of the install. Alright guys, so you're going to have your three pieces, alright? You're going to have your spring, your plate, and the top cover, which is the nice part. So, take the spring, flap bottom of the spring to over the stem, like so. Now, this plate is going to have a smoother finish here and a more textured finish. The textured finish is going to go to the bottom. The smooth one's going to go to the top with this little grommet. Just going to go right over the stem, like so. That's in. And now final step is just to clip this in. It's just gonna fit super nice and snug. Probably gonna need 2 hands. It is, you know, supposed to fit super tight in there, but okay. All right. All right, guys, there you go. And that is in, like so. So now, final piece is literally just take this, my adapter, and the shift knob, right back into place. Tighten everything back up. Like so. And you're good to go. Super nice look. I love it. It really sets it off. I like the whole bootless look, and now, you know, in case let a buddy drive your car or whatever, they'll know where your gears are. You know, sometimes people don't know what they're doing and have the nice little S logo. I might, not sure yet, I might be filling them in another color, the numbers and the, you know, the logos. I'm not sure yet. Might just keep it black. I think maybe doing a color might be a little tacky, but that's pretty much it. It's a super simple install. Like I said, I chose personally not to pull the center console apart. I really don't see a need to. If you're careful enough, you won't break anything. In the directions, in the instructions that he gives you, he will tell you to take the center console off. It probably would be safer. I don't think it's easier. Like I said, if you are confident in yourself and know you're not going to break something, like I said, by all means, do what I did. Just pull everything off. Make sure you don't break any clips. You might have to use a little bit of force. Now, mind you, even in the instructions, he does say you can put some force into it. Like, it's not meant to break. These things are not going to break. Like, this is super, like, heavy-duty hard plastic. The quality's really good. It feels good. It looks good. So I really wouldn't be too concerned about breaking something, to be honest with you. Like I said, it's totally up to you guys. The install is simple. It's cheap. You know, he does... Like I said, he does a lot of custom stuff. So if you guys want something similar to what I ordered, you can. He has other designs too. You can work with him. He'll work with you. You know, if there's something else that you want to put on there, he might be able to do it for you. If you want something simple, if you don't want something that's like, you know, like cluttered like this, where, you know, you get the numbers and all that, you can, by all means, you know, just talk to him and see what he says. But once again, I bought this from Black Flag USA. I'm going to link his Instagram and his website in the description. This is one of my favorite interior mods. I feel like it really sets it off, and I don't know anybody actually who has this exact piece. I know some people who have done the S and the numbers, but not the combination of both. So I might be the only one right now, like out there, who has this exact shift boot delete kit here, but I could be wrong. I haven't seen any other car have it. So, like I said, if you guys are interested, please hit him up. I'm going to leave everything down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. This should take you no more than 5 minutes, you know, just a little bit of, you know, elbow grease and a couple of tools, and you should be good. So, there's going to be another video out sometime this week. I will be going to H2O, this Wednesday. So you guys are either going to be watching this on Monday or Tuesday. But Wednesday the 25th until Sunday the 29th, I will be down in Ocean City, Maryland for H2O. So I will be making videos. I should be making videos every single day down there. I'm going to be staying with a couple of buddies who have some really nice cars. So I'm going to try to get some footage. Probably, you know, some people doing some reckless stuff down there. So we're going to have a good time. So expect many videos to come in the future. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you have a great day. And thanks. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show what it looks like while driving. So it's very sleek, feels really smooth. So as you can see, it's a gorgeous piece on the car, and it doesn't affect the gears at all. So easy to downshift, easy to upshift. So I just wanted to show you guys this, you know, with the car driving, just see what it looks like. So I definitely recommend it. Once again, guys, the link for his website and his Instagram will be in the description. So if you have any questions, please ask him, and definitely support him, because he's definitely making some great products, and it'll definitely add a different touch to the inside of your Mini interior. So thanks, guys. See you later.